هاي يا حلوات، إيه الأخبار؟ النهارده أنا في زيارة لإيف ميديكال سنتر في عجمان، فيلا بينا نشوف إيه الخدمات اللي بيقدموها. يلا. المركز هنا فيه خدمات كتير جدا، في أسنان، في تجميل بأنواعه، في أمراض النساء، في الليزر. النهارده أنا معايا ميعاد مع الدكتور رابية هعمل بوتوكس للجزء العلوي من الوجه، فيلا بينا.
Today we are going to put some Botox on the forehead lines, in the middle of their eyebrows and around the eyes. And when we put it in a matter of few days, they will block all your expression lines and you are free from the wrinkles.
I will not feel it today.
You will not feel it today. Botox, and usually it will take few days to effect full. So yes, after like few days you will see that all your lines and wrinkles are smooth out.
Any pain?
Once we put it a little, you will feel like a needle prick. That's it. After pain, no, nothing.
I can go to gym today or tomorrow after doing it?
Today, no. We usually advise patients not to go today or not do any heavy exercise or not to lie down on the face.
Okay.
You just need to have this
relaxing
time. Yes, full relaxing time only for today. From tomorrow, everything will be normal.
I need to drink more water after Botox?
No, it's not advisable. Nothing like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, we can start now.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let's start.